Anxious ba ang anak mo pero hindi mo lang napapansin? Maraming mga bata ang may anxiety, pero hindi sila tulad ng adults na marunong magsabi ng, "Ma, anxious ako ma," or "Pa, overwhelmed ako." Instead, they show it in silent or unexpected ways. At kadalasan, hindi ito napapansin ng mga matatanda. So here are the silent signs of anxiety in kids most adults miss. Number 1, stomach aches or pananakit ng tiyan or headaches, pananakit ng ulo. Pero walang mga medical cause. Kapag paulit-ulit itong nangyayari, lalo na tuwing papasok sa school or may event, posibleng anxiety na yan. Number 2, irritability or mood swings. Hindi lahat ng anxious ay tahimik. Minsan, ang anxiety ay lumalabas bilang bad temper or pagiging moody. In other words, hindi lahat ay nagpapabebe, baka overwhelmed lang talaga. Number 3, perfectionism. Yung bata na laging gusto perfect lahat, ayaw magkamali, laging takot sa red marks, sa mga maling sagot o sa mga feedbacks, that's not always ambition. Minsan, anxiety na yan. Pang-apat, avoiding activities they used to enjoy. Bigla na lang ayaw sumama, ayaw pumasok, ayaw makihalubilo. Hindi sila tamad, baka natatakot, baka may iniisip. Anxiety can drain their interest in things they used to love. At ang panglima ay constant reassurance seeking. Ma, okay ba to ma? Pa, tama ba? Sure ka? Di ka ba galit? Paulit-ulit na lang, kahit ilang beses mo nang sinagot. It's not arte na, it's anxiety. Kaya mga magulang, guro at guardians, let's not just correct the behavior. Let's listen between the lines. Ang batang anxious hindi laging tahimik, pero laging may mga sinasabi ang kanilang katawan at ang kanilang mga pagkikilos. Tandaan, what looks like stubbornness or yung mahirap pasundin could be fear. What looks like laziness could be emotional exhaustion. What looks like attitude or nag-a-attitude could be anxiety. So before you react, pause and ask, what is my child feeling right now? Understanding is the first step to healing. Ito po si Dr. Richard Mata reminding you, mental health is just as important as physical health, lalo na sa bata. Salamat po.